yeah, I'm waiting
Oh,
for
God.
Corp.
Corpse,
Hit me, Corp.
how's it going, Corp?
Corpse.
Fucking shilling dog.
Oh, yeah.
Holy shit. What a fucking
That's the
voice.
stuff. I
That
need
is a
that.
corpse.
I need that.
Yo, I might play one more, but do you guys have another fill after this?
Yeah, we'll be
I'm
fine.
sure
See
we
you
can
later, buddy.
find someone.
Yeah, man, you'll be fine.
You're fucking dog shit anyways.
Exactly.
That's
Bro,
that's
y'all
brutal,
took me
dude.
I love you, Rice. I miss you.
Y'all really got me fucked up on that last game, bro. Shake my head.
His voice is so deep.
I need the code.
If you guys want,
The code is...
It's in the chat.
check Discord.
Yeah, it's in... Here, I'll put it again in welcome.
No, Val's code doesn't work.
No, Val.
It's not Val's code.
I,
It's my
I'm too
code.
scared to say hello,
Didn't I just copy
so I
it?
just didn't.
No.
No, that's wrong. That's very wrong. It's
I'm
not even
gonna-
close, though,
Here.
really.
He pasted it.
Look, I'm standing.
What the heck? That's so weird.
I'm
You probably
standing on
used
top
the
of him.
last one, like the old
Oh.
one.
Hiding on him.
Oh.
Okay, let me delete it.
There you go, there you go.
Oh,
Boom.
my bad.
I'm
I was
scared.
wondering, it's like, it looks so
I'm
similar, but
sorry.
it felt so wrong.
That's so weird. I like this group because they don't really stack too hard. Like, I feel like everyone's always spread out, doing their tasks. Okay. Okay, it's... I need to put my dog outside because it's really loud. Come on. I know, it hurts. Come on.
All right, hear me out.
Where'd y'all find him?
The last person I saw with Banks is RiceGum, and I saw them in medbay. And I was gonna call
There's
button
not
and
a
say this.
fire.
Rice is new, so he's always been very like.
Is it really
going through
loud
his
for you
tasks
guys?
Every round, and this round he's just been all over the place.
Guys, I have a fire alarm going off. I'll BRB.
I just,
Just a second.
In the game or in real life?
No, in real life, there's no fire. It is okay. Okay,
I
That happened to me
think-
once. My
Yo,
security alarm
Corinna-
went off, and I couldn't get it off.
Corinna, I've noticed that when she does some fucked
who do
up
I
shit,
vote
she-
for?
Oh,
She
right,
runs
all right,
it.
all right, all
bro,
right.
she just put the whole dude. I
No.
swear I was just with Corpse, right? I'm not sure if you saw
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Where did you come from? Because to me, it looked like.
Where? Rice, where? Where was that?
It's the download task.
Where?
Bro, I don't know this map, bro. God, dude, you saw me teabag him, which that wasn't even me, but I literally did the download thing and then I was going to Corpse. Or like I was around that area doing my next task. Like, bro.
I saw him come from like below admin office area, and it looked like the vent,
It's
but it
gone.
could have been from like. If he's saying he downloaded, it potentially could have been weapons and walked
Okay.
in, but it really looked like the
I
vent.
can
If she's
explain.
saying he was in med bay, I don't know how he would have gotten there.
No, but
Like, I don't know.
You saw me come out of the vent though, because
So the fire alarm goes up because Pokey's shower, for some reason,
once.
her shower, the
I
steam
come back to an empty lobby.
triggers the fire alarm.
I know. I think we're switching.
So it's just, yeah. So it goes up, but the
What up, Ev?
alarm is so loud.
What up? What up, Ev? That's good, Micah. Oh, you
Yeah.
because you don't know how to read it? Got you. Yeah, send it to me. I mean,
Mike, what are you doing tonight?
Hey, you guys, this is
the
Corpse.
start of our rivalry.
This is
Oh, yeah, I'm waiting
Corpse.
for Corp.
Corpse,
Hi,
how's it going,
Corpse. Corpse.
Fucking shilling dog.
Hi.
Holy shit. What a fucking
That's the
voice.
stuff. I need
is a
that.
corpse.
I need that.
yo, I might play one more, but do you guys have another fill after this?
I'm
we'll be
sure
fine.
we
See
can
you
find
later, buddy.
someone.
Yeah, man, you'll be fine.
You're
You'll-
fucking dog shit anyways.
Exactly.
That's
Yo, y'all
brutal,
took me
dude.
I
out.
love you, Rice. I miss you.
Y'all really got me fucked up on that last game, bro. Shake my head.
I need the code.
If you guys
The
want,
code is.
It's in the chat.
check
Yeah, it's in
Discord.
here. I'll put it again in welcome chat.
Check Discord if you want. I can get
Puffer, thanks for don't choke me like you hate me, but you love.
Alright, I'm
me.
ready, dude.
I just sent it.
Me being that, thanks for Zono. This lobby reminds me of public play or public. Really?
Yeah.
Ahead of Haley. Good luck.
Please be me. Please be me. Face ass.
Lasers wild card. I am so happy with how much I have gotten imposter today. Oh wait, this doesn't go into storage? Oops. Oh god. Wait, I can't come out. I'm stuck in here. I'm stuck until I was gonna try to vent in storage and kill RiceGum, but... Oh, God. Okay. Ugh. Dang it. Okay, I'm free. Jeez Louise. I'm struggling. Okay.
I
was
just
with
got
Corinna.
there and was just about to report it, but I wasn't fast enough. Who's that with me?
That's crazy.
that's-
'Cause I did that too, and then y'all took me out.
Nah, Rice, you good. Yo, listen, that's crazy because that little corner you were hiding in, that little library, there's no path. You can't come from there.
Who are you talking to right now? Who
Oh
you talking-
God.
Big
Oh
Mike.
God.
Nah,
Mike.
bro, what do you mean path?
Mike.
Yo, guys,
Mike.
stop for a second. I swiped a card. I flipped over a laminate onto a thing. I counted to 10. It took me 3 tries to count to 10 on a little fucking thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Honestly,
8.
I kind of believe it.
I
taking three
promise
tries
you.
to count to 10.
I promise
know
you,
who the
bro.
imposter is. It's
is it?
Laser. And
Let's
here's
lie,
why.
lovely.
He
Doesn't
just
me.
muted himself.
I was with Corpse
Doesn't
for
me.
a long time and a
Yeah.
good time.
Yeah,
And
that's
we
good,
both
that's great, yeah.
went into the admin room, and you'll remember this, Corpse. We did both of our common tasks. Laser was there,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
either he's lazy as
Yeah.
fuck and did neither, or he didn't do them because he's the imposter.
I was there at the very start of the game, bro. I went
Cap.
to admin at the start, at the very fucking start of the game, bro. I went to admin. I always do it. I never do
Simply
my
not
common task.
true.
Wait, Laser, were you in admin the whole game for the most part?
Not at the end, but I was there at the start, and when Corpse and Ludwig came in.
I know you like to go to the admin panel first. I don't think
Valk,
you
where are
went
you right
up
now?
until we were
I am
there.
like literally always in that room at the start.
Yo,
What?
Rachel, where are you?
I think I'm heading back down to bottom left again. I was just on cams. I've like rotated around that whole area like 3
I
times.
feel you, lad.
You've got to Ludwig.
He
You
yelled at me,
understand,
it
I'm a
made me
weirdo,
insecure.
bro. I'm a
Yeah.
I wish I
weirdo.
had that voice.
If it's not Mike, I mean, shit, that's unfortunate.
That voice sexy.
Imagine if I had Corpse voice.
I fuck
Yeah, that
with you.
shit's sexy.
It's incredible, bro. It's the hottest thing on the internet right now.
I will pay you to put me to sleep.
It's like Corpse and then my girlfriend's ass, bro, are the 2 like most searched things on the fucking internet right now.
Oh my god. They're simping really hard.
I thought you just murdered the fuck out of me. That scared me.
I was with
Okay.
Corpse, so he can vouch.
Yeah.
So
It's
it
not
wasn't
Mike, then.
Mike.
Yeah.
So where's the
This
body?
kill was right outside of storage. I saw Mamba walk very weirdly away from the vent next to comms,
Oh.
but it would have been very insane for him to kill, go into storage, vent down, and then close the storage doors. Maybe I don't expect that from
I'm
Mamba.
new to this map. Yeah, I don't know how to do that at all. So
But
Where did you-
anyway,
where did
we
you
can
go,
kill
man?
anyone. What's up?
You, Valk, and Corinna were admin, right?
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
Valk
Yeah,
passed me, I go
I
back down.
really
Corinna
think
comes toward
Corinna's
me.
innocent
Lud
here.
disappears.
Well, I just checked the admin panel. I saw someone was in the door ship, and then I thought, huh. And then I walked up, and then on the way up, I found the body.
That's a pretty big.
But anyway, if
assumption.
there's one man I'm always down to kill, it's Laser.
Why? Why? Why me? I'm literally because I was in admin at the start of a game. There wasn't even a dead body there.
Let's just
Where are
skip
you right now,
it.
Laser?
Nah, that's tough. I was on cams for most of that round. I didn't
What
see
did you
shit.
see?
RiceGum and
Didn't
Corpse,
see
where have you
shit.
guys been?
I went off cams at one point to walk down to the bottom of O2, then lights like briefly came off at the end there, and then the body was called.
Okay.
RiceGum followed me the
Only 2
entire
people are
round.
dead,
Okay.
and we're halfway done.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, we can skip. We'll be fine.
Yeah, we skipping or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
it's
skip. No,
okay.
we skipping, dog.
All right.
It's gonna be a task,
What?
man.
What the fuck?
I heard some information that made me feel like I needed to vote. Yes.
Oh shit!
All right, we have to speed things up here. Oh.
Let's go! I finally did something.
Oh
Where's the
no
bodies?
way,
Finally
Rice!
Did something.
Did you do the
so look,
stack?
I was in spawn, and then I saw Laser just kill Corinna. Literally saw.
Oh, good
Oh
shit.
yes, I would. I
Yeah.
would kill in front. Yes, I would kill in front of someone. That's a good. That's a good vouch there.
I caught you in
That's
the
a good
act.
fucking vouch there, right? That's a good vouch there.
Come on, dude.
Wait,
Come
wait,
on. I
Rice,
finally
Rice.
did something.
Were you stacked
killed
when
in
I
front
left
of
you guys?
RiceGum, right? I killed in front of you, RiceGum.
Stop! Come on,
100%.
Laser Beam. Come
Laser,
on,
we
I
can
killed
hear
in
you
front of you,
smiling. We
I
can
saw
hear
my
you
own two eyes.
smiling.
I can hear me smiling because I'm getting accused, but I'm nowhere near
Is
a
this
fucking
Ray
body.
RiceGum?
No, no,
I'm
no,
nowhere
no,
near a
no, 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 no,
fucking
no, no, no,
body.
no, no.
What?
Bro, what are you
Wait,
talking about?
we've
I
been
just
sus
saw
of Laser every single round. What?
Yeah, it's, I'm.
Corpse, what do you think?
I would have to go Laser.
I'm just saying, I'm not even in fucking
Okay.
admin, bro. What is
I
that?
saw Corinna
What is that?
at the
Laser,
table
where are you
on
right now?
cams.
Yeah, we're.
I'm in weapons, bro. Like, what
Okay.
the fuck is that?
The reason why I'm laughing is because at the
I'm not
beginning of
even
round,
in
Corinna was
admin. How am I
AFK again.
getting-
Laser hella stupid because he ran past me and then I just like ran
Yeah,
back.
Rice, I'm just saying, killing someone and then saying it's just the most sus person in the lobby. Dude,
I saw you with my eyes, bro. I saw.
I checked. You want to say something at the start of the round? I checked cams.
I
There's
don't
like
know
fucking
Rice's
8
live
people in
voice, so I
admin.
really
I don't know
There's
either.
like 8 people in
I
admin.
think
don't know.
Why would I
Okay,
walk into admin
wait.
and stab
Bro,
someone when
bro.
I
Right,
know there's
Rice,
8 people
Rice,
in
Rice.
there?
We need more info because the last time I left, it was me, Rice, and Corinna stacked on each other at the button, and I left both of them. So when did you guys part?
I'll vote Laser. Fuck
Nah,
it.
dude,
We've been
you
sus
can
along.
vote like that is the fucking shittest thing ever. Just
Laser, you're right.
remember it's
Fuck
Rice. What the fuck is that?
I mean, Laser, we've been sus of you for so long.
No cap.
Use
No
vote
cap.
Laser.
No cap, bro. I saw my own 2 eyes, bro. Come on.
Damn. Like, I want to defend him, but like, I have to be careful because I have to make sure that like when he does get voted out, I'm not sus, you know? Like I have to appear innocent by voting him out. All right, I need to...
All right, so Train is dead. That means we got. Okay, so it's not RiceGum. It's not
Yes.
Ray. It's not Ray because wasn't Ray.
I voted out Laser.
Yeah, so let's try Mamba.
Okay.
Okay.
Try me that you're wrong, Rice, bitch.
Ray said I can hear him smiling, so I couldn't tell if she was saying that to Laser or RiceGum.
No, I was talking to Laser. We've been sus of Laser since the beginning.
Yeah, no, and like I saw it, we were
Alright,
stacked
fuck it.
in Valkyrae, and then
I'm on courts. bro.
Alright, sure,
Y'all
I'll
intimidated
vote
his voice.
Mamba then.
Y'all intimidated his voice. I'm not intimidated his
that
voice.
really is Mamba. Damn, we
course.
took a dub. Yo,
Oh,
I
you
looked
took
at
the dub. Good job. Good job.
Yo,
Too bad
I
you
love
did
that
it.
we took the-
GG.
Is it Ray?
Unless it's Corpse.
What?
You know, thank you, Corpse, for being such a good friend that you're willing to throw the game for us. You guys have to come push the... Any second now, right? Any second!
That was the worst
It
imposter
was,
round
right?
of my life.
we got a
Everything I
new-
did got sus.
We got a new
Everything.
lobby.
Laser, why are you so
Was that right
sus?
or was that right, Laser?
That's crazy.
Hey.
Wait, hold
You're
on.
so
real quick,
sus, Laser.
I have to say.
Wait.
I have to say one thing. I have to say one thing. Okay.
Wait, hold on. What the fuck?
right.
Why
No,
would
I'll
Corpse
tell
say
you what
go
happened. I'll tell you what happened. Ready for this?
through, bro?
No,
That-
I did.
No.
I did
That
not.
body. That body where. So the Ludwig kill, right?